very important here, and it is taskbar. Okay, this is your first screen of Tally. Just draw this first screen in your notebook. Okay, in everything in detail we'll study in next classes. Okay, then next one is whenever you click on company info there, here you have to create a company. That steps will explain in next class. I'll explain that. Just go through these components of gateway of Tally. It's called as a gateway of Tally here. That is first screen. In that, here in this first screen, there login as remote user is there, create company is there, backup, restore, quit is there. Whenever you create a company, okay, after creation of company you are getting the gateway of Tally. Okay, just go through this. Okay, next class in detail we'll discuss the same points. Here also same Tally information bar is there, calculator bar, here button area, then here horizontal bar, here company information is there. Already if any companies are there, just to click on that company, it opens this components of gateway of Tally screen. In this company information, like it's a company name, here it's company information bar, here company name will be given, on which date it was created, current period and current date. It will show that information on the screen, and it's a menu bar. Here menu bar, horizontal menu bar, you know, it is function bar, it's there, and main gateway of Tally. It's the main gateway of Tally. There you are having different options. Okay, in detail we'll discuss in again further classes. Okay, you can draw that only first screen. Next class you can draw this also. Just know about Tally. Tally, it's very simple. It is an accounting software. It's having different versions. Yearly they have created many different versions, but latest one is Tally Prime. But in your syllabus you are having Tally ERP 9 as an accounting software. Okay, next class we'll discuss components of Tally and how to create a company, everything. Okay, here important question. Introduction, it's there. 2 marks question you may get. What are the benefits of Tally? What benefits you are getting from the Tally? Generally you can write the benefits, otherwise else you can refer the points also. Okay, what benefits you are getting from the Tally, that you can mention. Explain features of Tally. Okay, what are the features are there in your Tally? Easily you can explain the features of a Tally. So many features we discussed here. Okay, that these two questions they last for these two questions. What are the benefits of Tally? Explain features of Tally, for 5 marks you are getting. Draw first screen of Tally and explain its components. This question you are getting for 15 marks. You have to draw the first screen of Tally and all its components you have to explain, and write components of Tally. Yes, this question means I write about components of a Tally. What and all components are there? That explanation. This question they'll ask for 15 marks. Okay. Okay, we'll end up the class here. One motivational quote is there. Just see to it. No one is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Yeah, we'll do many mistakes, but we have to correct that one. And be safe and be happy. Okay, see you all in the next class.